Parallel, perpendicular, and intersecting lines. Part 2. Parallel lines. As we said in part 1, parallel lines never meet or touch, and they have the same distance apart from each other. So we can say that the parallel lines never intersect or intersect at 0 point, making no angles. We can remember the parallel lines by the equal sign. Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines intersect at one point, the point of intersection. They form two acute angles and two obtuse angles. We can remember the intersecting line by the letter X or the multiplication sign. Third, here we have perpendicular lines. They intersect at one point, forming four right angles. Each of them is equal to 90 degrees. You can remember the perpendicular line by the plus sign. Now we are going to take examples from real life on parallel lines, perpendicular lines, and intersecting lines. Here we have a ladder and we can see parallel lines. For the railroad, we can see intersecting lines. In this guide, you can notice here that we have perpendicular lines. Okay, let's practice. The two parallel straight lines are perpendicular, intersecting, never intersecting. The two parallel lines. Remember, the two parallel lines never meet or touch, so they never intersect. If the angle between two straight lines is right, then the two straight lines are parallel, perpendicular, intersecting but not perpendicular. If the angle between two straight lines is right, so the two straight lines are perpendicular, because we said before that the perpendicular is the intersection of two lines forming four right angles. Any two parallel lines intersect at 0 point, 1 point, 2 points. Remember, parallel lines never intersect, so we can say that they intersect at 0 point. The two perpendicular straight lines make how many right angles? 0 right angle, 2 right angles, 4 right angles. The two perpendicular straight lines make 4 right angles. Any two straight lines that never intersect are called perpendicular, parallel, intersecting but not perpendicular. Never intersect here means never meet or never touch. So any two straight lines that never intersect are called parallel lines. Two intersecting straight lines intersect at 0 point, 1 point, 2 points. Two intersecting straight lines intersect at only 1 point. Any two intersecting lines, they are just intersect at 1 point. Either they are going to form two acute angle and two obtuse angle, or they are perpendicular and they are going to form four right angles, but they just intersect at 1 point, only 1 point of intersection. Notice the figure opposite then complete. Number A, AB line segment and BC line segment, are they parallel to each other or perpendicular? AB and BC, we can notice here that they form right angle, so they are perpendicular to each other. So AB is perpendicular to BC. Number B, AB line segment is parallel or perpendicular to YZ. Here is AB and here is YZ. They are not touching. They will never meet or touch. So they are parallel to each other. Number C. XY and BC. XY line segment is parallel or perpendicular to BC. XY is parallel to BC because they will never touch or meet or they will never intersect. So they are parallel to each other. Number D. AC and BC intersects each other. AC intersect BC at point. You can notice here that the AC and BC intersect each other at point C, the point where they met or the point of intersection. So they intersects at point C. Number E, CY and BX intersects at what point? CY intersects PX at the point dots. We can extend here the CY till reaching the BX. So by extending both of them, we are going to find that they intersect at point A. Finally, number F, measure angle ABC. So here is the angle ABC. We are noticing now that it forms right angle with measure 90 degree.